and welcome to Huey the Bear. Today, we want to go through some of the different types of employment models for persons with disabilities. In a pyramid model, the different types of employment look like this. At the top, we have open employment, where the beneficiaries are working in the open market, just like you and I. At the lowest layer, we have sheltered workshops, where the beneficiaries go to for supported employment. The pyramid model is such because, as we go up the layers, we have an increase in the quality of life, or QOL. But at the same time, the number of beneficiaries suitable also decrease as we moved up the layers. Bridging the gap, there are some forms of assisted employment models. This video will focus on sheltered workshops. We have prepared a video to explain more.
There are many misconceptions about sheltered workshops. Let's explore the myths versus the facts. One myth is that sheltered workshops segregate individuals with disabilities from society. The fact is, people with disabilities choose to come here.
I don't see there's any kind of segregation as far as disabilities. No, everybody's on an equal plane here.
The staff is good to me. All the clients are good to me. I feel like I've accomplished a lot.
Another myth you will hear is that sheltered workshops create a culture of low expectations. But the fact is, staff members at sheltered workshops help people with disabilities reach their maximum potential.
I have worked in production or in factories most of my life. I worked at other companies. I think the expectation here is a lot more because they feel like people think that they can't do it, so they try and do it better.
The counselors have helped me tremendously. I feel like I accomplished so much from here, and now I'm moving out, and I got a raise.
Another myth is that consumers at sheltered workshops are forced to do meaningless work. The truth is, consumers work with real products found in real stores, and they take great pride in that.
These guys have a sense of pride of what they do. They want to make sure it's right. They come and tell you, this is not packaged right, this has a hole in it. They want to make sure it's good going out the door. And just because it's a sheltered workshop doesn't mean that the customer doesn't expect the quality to be done right, the quantity, and in a timely fashion.
In many ways, this is just like any other workplace. People doing jobs that they're good at and socialising with colleagues.
Many have high support needs, most have intellectual disabilities. That assessed wage because the skill of the person does not allow them to carry out the full range of duties that one would expect of a person without a disability. A lot of the work that we bring in is quite basic work, and we tailor that work to meet the skill of the person with a disability.
In ADEs like Greenacres, a person's pay is worked out using a wage assessment tool that goes like this. A worker's productivity, support needs, and how complex their job is determines what percentage of the minimum wage they take home. They could get 100%, but usually it's less.
That is why there are many caregivers who doesn't like sheltered workshops or are skeptical to send their wards to SW. However, one can think of sheltered workshops as a training place to transit into employment. Furthermore, there are other elements in SW, like socializing, care and support from the SW staff. Do you know of some sheltered workshops in your areas? Let us know in the comments below.